Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we are diving into why you should never ignore your vehicle's low fuel warning.
Yeah. I know I'm late. Sorry, I'm late. Hey, don't worry. I'm leaving now. Don't worry, I'll make it. I'm on my way.
And there he goes. Little does he know that delaying refueling could cost him big time. If the low fuel warning light comes on, refill the fuel tank as soon as possible. But why is it so risky to drive on near to empty fuel level? The answer might surprise you. Driving with an almost near empty tank can cause misfires, sending unburnt fuel into the exhaust system. This damages the catalytic converter, leading to expensive repairs. Ensure to refuel on time and keep your car in top condition. Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay tuned, stay informed, because we are always by your side.